Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube content creation training. In our last class, we learned that YouTube is a platform to create content for education, entertainment, and personal branding. We also discussed different types of channels and opportunities like earning income, developing digital skills, and reaching a global audience. Finally, we learned that success on YouTube requires motivation, patience, consistency, and continuous improvement. Now, let us move to today's lesson, which is niche selection. Niche selection is one of the most important steps in building a successful YouTube channel. A niche simply means a specific topic or area that your channel focuses on. Choosing a clear niche helps you attract a particular audience, become recognizable, and grow faster because viewers know what to expect from your content. Now let us look at how to choose a profitable niche. First, consider your interest and passion. Choose a topic you enjoy and can talk about consistently. Second, think about your knowledge and skills. Select a topic you understand well and can teach or explain clearly. Third, consider audience demand. Choose a niche that people are searching for or where they need solutions. Fourth, think about the monetization potential. Choose a niche that can give you opportunities to earn income in the future. For example, if you love cooking, your niche could be easy home recipes, dessert tutorials, or healthy meal ideas. Now let us talk about common mistakes beginners make. Some people choose a niche they are not interested in. Some try to copy other creators without adding their own unique style. Others create content that is too general instead of focusing on a clear topic. Many also forget to think about their audience's needs or future income opportunities.